guys, it's Jenny here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jenny. I make beauty and lifestyle content. It's so lovely to have you here. So today, I'm super excited to share my new obsession with you guys. How do my lips look today? Do they look good? So this lip brand has been trending quickly here in Korea since the launch, getting lots of great reviews. So I'll show you all about it. Let's get started. So the brand I want to introduce today is a new makeup brand called fwee. As soon as fwee was launched, it grabbed a lot of attention from beauty YouTubers and influencers, and it's been getting really popular since. I love the brand's happy, uplifting vibe and the shade range that consists of colors that immediately brightens up the complexion, aka light bulb colors. So whatever skin tone you have, fair or darker, warmer or cooler, I'm sure you will be able to find a shade that suits you beautifully. Also, fwee has recently opened its doors to international markets, including US, Singapore, and Malaysia. So if you guys are located in these areas, please check the description below for more information. Now let me show you my favorite shade combo. Fwee tints are gorgeous applied on their own, but I love mixing and creating a gradient effect with two different shades because it looks so unique. So my favorite pairing is with number 2 Dry Rehearsal and number 6 굿걸곤배드. I'm wearing the combo right now on my lips, and this is a look that I've been wearing a lot lately and people keep commenting and asking me about. So I love this combo because it creates this really unique blushing hibiscus color. It brightens up my complexion instantly and brings youthfulness and a lovely aura to the look. I haven't been wearing any heavy eye makeup lately, so instead I really like going for a good lip color that can nicely put together the whole look and kick it up a notch in a tasteful way, and this pairing does just that. It's still pretty natural looking and not so out there, but I guess noticeable and unique enough to catch other people's attention. Seriously, this combo is so pretty. The reason I love the gradient lip look is because we can create a unique shade that's one of a kind, which is super cool. So here is how I create my gradient lips. First, apply a thin, even coat of number 2 Dry Rehearsal all over the lips, blurring the edges for that blurred, slightly overlined lip look. And then apply a small amount of number 6 굿걸곤배드 in the center on the inner part, and press the lips together to spread the product outwards. I totally recommend you guys trying out the gradient lips with 2 colors to create your own beautiful one and only shade. Okay, now moving on to texture. I absolutely love the texture of the tint. It goes on smooth like butter while offering a high color payoff. As you apply and spread the product more on the lips, it becomes more powdery, blurry, soft, and matte. It's so hydrating, velvety smooth, and comfortable on the lips, not tight or drying at all like other matte or long-lasting lip products can sometimes be, which I'm very impressed with. The fwee tints effectively smooth out dry lips and wrinkles on their own, and the applicator is all you really need to blend the product and blur out the edges easily. If you ever found lip makeup difficult or time-consuming, you should definitely try out these tints. They'll make your life easier and you'll stand out with your gorgeous lips. Now that I've shown you my favorite combo, let's look at individual shades. Because the whole collection is so pretty, I gotta show you all of them. The first shade we have here is called Ọna더베이스. It's a nude beige color with a tiny drop of coral that can be used as a warm toned base lip color. However, as you can see, it's not too light, so it looks beautiful worn by itself as well. Next one I want to show you is Dry Rehearsal. It's a cooler toned pinkish mauve nude lip color. Great shade to wear by itself or as a base color. Next one I have here is 선데이피크닉. It's a coral red color with a tinge of pink that makes me think of a grapefruit. This shade, along with number 1 Ọna더베이스, is actually my second favorite combo. The next shade is Plawshawo. It's a highly pigmented cherry pink red color. It's definitely a light bulb shade as well that brightens up the face and jazzes up any look instantly. The fifth shade is fwee red. This is fwee's signature color, a classic red. It immediately elevates any look, perfect to wear on special occasions or whenever you want to feel like a boss. Next is 굿걸곤배드. This is a more toned down red than the fwee red and has a little bit of cherry brown. Depending on how much is applied, it creates different vibes. Besides my favorite combo I showed you earlier, it's also great to pair with number 1 Ọna더베이스. So what do you guys think of these shades? I love that this collection includes a variety of shades, including warmer, cooler, nude, and deeper tones, and that each and every color is very unique. Also, the tint formula is honestly so beautiful, so I'm already excited to see if we expand this suede tint collection with even more shades in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this far. In case you're interested in learning more about the brand or purchasing any of the tints, I will leave a link in the description for you guys. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much guys as always, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!